Mastering kindly, power up your English requests. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. In this video, we're delving into an important topic: making polite requests using the word kindly. When used properly, kindly can add a layer of politeness to your requests, making them sound more professional and respectful. Let's dive right in. First things first, what does kindly mean? When used in requests, kindly is a way to make your request sound more polite. It's often used in professional or formal situations and is very common in written English, like in emails. But you can also use it in spoken English to add an extra touch of formality. It's equivalent to saying, please, but it sounds a bit more formal. Now, how do we use kindly in requests? It's quite simple. You use kindly just before the action you're requesting. For example, if you're asking someone to close the door, you'd say, "Could you kindly close the door?" It's a straightforward and effective way to make your requests sound more polite. Let's go through some examples to really understand how kindly can be used in requests. 1. Could you kindly send me the report by tomorrow? 2. Would you kindly consider my application for the scholarship? 3. Can you kindly lower the volume? I'm trying to concentrate. 4. Will you kindly give me a moment? I need to gather my thoughts. In all these examples, kindly is used just before the action the speaker is requesting. This is a pattern you'll see often when kindly is used in requests. While kindly is a great word to use, be careful not to overuse it. Using kindly too often can make your speech or writing sound a bit old-fashioned or overly formal. Also, be sure to use it in appropriate contexts. For instance, using kindly in a casual conversation with friends might sound too formal and out of place. And that's a wrap on our discussion about using kindly in English requests. Remember, kindly is a great way to make your requests more polite, especially in formal or professional situations. Just be sure to use it sparingly and in the right contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a pro at making polite requests in English. We hope this video was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one. Until then, keep learning and happy practicing.